Hello. So for page 323, question three, I believe this is unit 6.4. So this is about like charges and loans and stuff like that. So we're going to be end up using simple interest here. So remember, our simple interest formula is I, interest is equal to P, the principal, times the interest rate as a decimal, times the amount of time in years the loan is. Um, so if we're looking at this thing here, question three, it wants us to find the monthly payment, one thing, the total amount paid, a second thing, and the finance charge, or think of it like the interest for the following loans. Um, so what this one here means, like let's say for example, I take out a loan for $1,000, but I have to pay $1,100 back, right? It's the privilege of getting that money. The finance charge here would be $100. It's the difference between what I needed. This person needs 2,500 and what I'm paying as a interest for the loan. So we're looking at this one here, question A. So I equals PRT. So my interest is equal to my principal is 2,500. My interest rate is a decimal, 0.08, and it's 3 years. There we go. So 2,500 times 0.08 times 3. I've paid $600 in interest. So right there, that's the third thing. Check. The total amount paid, well, that's pretty simple, right? Total amount paid, $2,500 is what I took. I have to pay $600 in interest. In total, I got to pay this bank back $3,100. So there's the second thing. Now the monthly payment. Well, it's 3 years, right? Three years, 12 months in a year. I have to pay this 36 times. So I have to take this amount, 3,100, you divide that by the total amount of payments, and you will get your monthly amount. So divided by 36 is 36 months and 3 years, and it is $86.11. $86.11 monthly payments. There's the first thing. Does that make sense? So I had to first figure out the interest to then add to the principal to then figure out my monthly loan. So you're kind of working backwards for this question here. Make sure my mic's working. Yes, it is. So I'll do this one here. I'll do question B, and then I want you to try question C out. Pause the video. I'll show you the answer for C. But so same thing here, right? So if you want, you can try even B right now. Pause the video. 3, 2, 1. So this one's here, right? Interest, well, it's $10,000 times 0.0625, because that's the interest as a decimal, times 5 years. Times 0.0625 times, times 5 years. The interest here is $3,125. Which means that my total would be $13,125, right? I just added on to that $10,000. Now, if there's 5 years, 5 times 12 is 60. There's 60 months here, right? So all I got to do is divide that by the 60. Here we go. Divide this by 60 months. And my monthly payment is $218.75. Monthly payments. All right, so try out question C here on your own. I'm going to pause the video. So you pause the video now. I'll go over the answer. So 3, 2, 1. So for this one here, right, $1,500 times 0.0375. Common mistake is people would do this. Very common mistake. Nope, it's 0.0375 times 2 years. $112.50. That seems reasonable for an interest rate for this, sure. Did I say 50? I think I said 50. Yeah. Cool. So that's my interest, which means my total would be $612.50. Now, if I divide that by 24, because there's 24 months and 2 years, I will get my monthly payments. $67.19. 67 and 19. 6, 7. Yep. So there we go. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.